Energy levels low? Trouble focusing? Restless sleep? Cravings? I got you. Because this was me not too long ago. Diagnosed with heavy metal toxicity. And then an autoimmune disease attacking my thyroid. I was barely getting through the day. Using caffeine and sugar as an energy crutch pushed me further into depletion. Although I was focused on health of mind and spirit and conscious of my food intake, I had not accounted for the toxicity levels I was dealing with every moment of every day that had built up over the years to extreme levels. Then, Puratae was introduced to me by my naturopath. Game changer! In only days, I was energized, sleeping better, and focused, and long-term, more and more benefits. One serving includes multivitamins, multiminerals, antioxidants, immune support, prebiotics, probiotics, supports healthy blood sugar levels, has a digestive enzyme blend, detoxification and liver support, includes a neural support formula, adaptogen and hormone support, and much more. Give your body the nutritional support it needs to fight the good fight against daily toxins. Don't wait. Begin building you now. And start your day right, the Puratae way. Subscribe and save at leapapa.puratae.com. See link below. Our hosts and guests offer information and opinions on the Mindfully Speaking podcast and the Leap Papa website, not as a substitute for professional care, medical prevention, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult with your own physician, pharmacist, or healthcare provider before taking any home remedies or supplements or following any treatment suggested by anyone on this podcast or website. Only your healthcare provider, personal physician, or pharmacist can provide you with advice on what is safe and effective for your unique needs or diagnose based on your particular medical history. Leap Papa does not necessarily agree with or endorse all the views presented by those interviewed on the podcast. We share opinions and perspectives on a plethora of well-being topics, and it is up to you as the individual to do your own research and obtain insight from your own healthcare provider. We support freedom of thought and freedom of speech. Please see extended disclaimer statement on leappapa.com.